Next section, uses of psychological test. First use, detection of specific behavior. Second, individual differences. 3, to diagnose by the psychological test. 4, legal classification. 5, promoting self-understanding. 6, program evaluation. 7, scientific inquiry or research. 8, military selection. 9, industry. 10, education. 11, mental hospitals. Detail going on. First, detection of specific behaviors. Psychological test is used to measure and to detect the abilities of a person. Second, individual differences. A psychological test is used to measure the individual differences, that is, difference between abilities of different persons and the performance of the same person at a different time. 3, to diagnose by the psychological test. The psychological tests are usually used in clinical psychology. In clinical psychology, a test's function is to diagnose mental disorders. Used in mental hospitals and coaching and guidance centers for the assessment and diagnosis of mental disorders. 4, legal classifications. A psychological test helps in classifying a number of people into different categories. For example, normal and abnormal, criminal and innocent, intellectual and mentally retarded, able and disabled, etc. 5, promoting self-understanding. A psychological test provides standardized information about the abilities, capabilities, aptitudes, potential competencies, interest, trait, and states of person, which helps in understanding one's personality and planning future perspective. 6, program evaluation. An effectiveness of program is associated by the application of test. This function is usually performing by an achievement test. 7, scientific inquiry and research. Some experts use tests for research purpose, which provide information about the mental level, personality of the subject. 8, military selection. A closely related application of psychological testing to be found in the selection and classification of military personnel. 9, industry. In industry and business, tests are helpful in selection and classifying personnel for placement in jobs that range from the simply semi-skilled to the highly skilled. 10, education. Psychological tests, usually those of general intelligence and of specific aptitudes, have very extensive use in educational classification, selection and planning Now at present, schools are among the largest test users. Mental hospital. In clinical and mental hospitals, psychological tests are used primarily for individual diagnosis of factors associated with personal problems such as learning, behavior, attitudes, specific interpersonal relationships, stress, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.